It's a Fred. No, no, it's not Fred. Dumb. It's Karen. 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 Oh, Charlie, you bit me. No. Yes. Maybe. Perhaps. Okay. Hey. Why are cats so emo? They're like always standing in the corner. Like, really? Get alive. They only catch mice and sleep all day. Like, come on, who does that? Obviously, cats. Cats do that. All they do is catch mice and eat, and sleep and poop. Tragic. On the bright side, cats are cute. And I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. Bang, bang. Yes.